Hi everybody, this video we are going to start building our application. So before we start building our application, I'll show you about IDE. So my preferred IDE is brackets. So this is the IDE. So if you like whatever the IDE like Notepad++ or Sublime Text or anything, you can use it. So but in this course I'm going to use brackets IDE. So if you like to use brackets, so easily you can go to brackets.io website and you can go to download this website and you can install that. So it is free and it's an open source website. I mean it's an open source IDE and it is developed by Adobe. So if you like, you can use this IDE, you can easily download it and you can use that. Otherwise, whatever your favorite or preferred IDE, you can use that. Doesn't matter about that. And the next thing I'm going to show you SASS. So if you like SASS, if you want to use SASS, you can go to sas.slang.com/install. So you can go to install the SASS. So before that, if you are using Mac, you don't need to install Ruby, or otherwise you should install Ruby to using SASS. So for this code I'm going to use SASS. So if you don't like to use SASS, of course you can use the CSS. So you can use that. I'll show you how to use CSS for this course. But in this course I'm going to use SASS. So once you're going to install that, you can go into this link and you should go to Windows. I don't know how to use Linux, and honestly speaking, and if you are using Windows, so you can see the Ruby downloader here. So you can easily click the Ruby downloader and click this download red icon. So easily you can go there and you can download the latest Ruby version. So here in this time it's 2.2.3, so you can click that and you can download and you can install it easily. So once the installation is done, so you can go where your search bar and you can find the start command prompt with Ruby. So once you open this one, so you want to figure it out which location is your folder and project file is. So for me, my location is in desktop. So before that, I'm going to create a new folder called CSS. After that, I'm getting IDE in the CSS. I'm going to create a new file called style dot. So this time I'm going to create style dot SCSS. So this is the extension for SASS file. So it's very good. You can easily create that, so no problem. So definitely once you create that, you go to the command prompt and you want to type cd desktop. So this will help to merge your desktop with the command prompt backward slash. And next thing, what is the folder? I mean, just a tab and it shows simple web, and again a slash, backward slash, again the CSS. So the CSS file has uh, the CSS folder has the CSS file. So once you press enter, so it's perfectly like that. So what you want to do is this: if you install the SASS for first time, you should type this code. Maybe I think the website also has the same thing. Not sure, but I'll show you how to do that. So go to this command prompt and you just type gem space install yes space SASS. Just press enter. So once you press enter, it will start installing your SASS. It will take some time. Writing that okay, it has been installed successfully. So doesn't matter how many times you install this, as it's not a big issue. But uh, for the very first time you should install that. After that you don't need to install it. So once you install that successfully, what you want to do is you should connect with your uh, style.scss file. How we can connect that in? We don't need to type any uh, cd command. So how we can connect this? I can just type SASS. You put two dash and it's a watch. That's WATCH and put a space and a dot. So SASS dash dash watch, and you can see only my CSS file only has one style.scss file, and here also I'm typing SASS. I'm not typing anything. I did say SASS dash dash watch dot. So once you press enter, you can see my directory automatically created some files here, right? It says style.css and css.map, and this file is automatically created by uh, the Ruby. Uh, so what I'm going to do is I'll show you. Now don't close the command prompt, just minimize that. And so what I'm going to do is I'll just open the site.css file, and before that I'm going to create an index.html file, so then I can show you how it works. Get a new file. Oops, not here. Let's take that. Why is it creating that location? Oops. Okay, no problem. I'll go to this folder and I'll create a new, and I'll create index.html. So I'll just create index.html. Oops. Yeah. Okay. So here I create this index.html file. So this HTML file I'm going to create dot type. So this dot type HTML, what will help is so this will help for user to use the HTML file in your features. So once you didn't declare these things, so you can use HTML4 only, not HTML5. So for that I'll say HTML. I'll just create something for head. Maybe you see title. This is welcome. Okay. This heading, and I'll see link. Href. So you can see it's very easy to use that, and you can see it shows the folders, but I need the CSS, and this time please attach a CSS file, not CSS file. SCSS, not sorry, not SCSS file. You should attach the CSS, because CSS only only browser knows CSS. Then teaching style sheet. Okay, let's go. And again, we only can type CSS. Okay, these are the things we want to do that, and again I create body. So I just showed the example. So I just create another new tag, create an ID wrapper. So this wrapper has something called something called which one? So let's see. Okay, so far I'm creating body LC hello world. And here I'm creating another. I'm creating it to tag. So this is a temporary code. I will delete that later. So once you type that, here the use of uh, bracket ID has an bolt icon. So once you click, there is a live preview. Shows the hello world and so on. So this is the thing. I'm just going to work with that. So once you coming into the SASS file, I'll show you. I just separated vertically and okay. Now you can see the difference. So now what I'm going to do is my exchange has a body. Okay, and this body tag has a div tag. So I'm just creating a body. So how I basically have a CSS structure is going on. I'll first write here. So once you want to, for example, once you want to design these body tags, so how you going to write is you just write body. Okay, let's say background color or something. Background color, I have to say something cool or whatever, just for this for testing purpose. So you can see it automatically updated when it shows the color is showing there. And again, you should come to here and you want to type wrapper. So ID say wrapper, and this wrapper has an h1 tag. Oops, sorry, wrapper. Then you put a space to h1 or h1. So this h1 you can use just color. So you just red. That's for example. Okay. Other than that, you can write like body. So it has the they call wrapper, and it has nature. So you can see you two times you just repeat body. So this is for just 10 or 13 lines HTML coding. So you just write that again, and you're going to write um, wrapper, and then you type h2, and it's a color blue. Okay, I just saved it. Again, you can write body here, right? It's import. No, actually, this is not in wrapper. So you type body. Okay, body. Then it has the so tag. For example, so you can see you type 3 times body here. So I just select this and go there. Yeah, it works by the way. But what I'm asking is why you guys want to type 3 times for these things, coding again. So this is how SASS comes to the point after the picture. So I'll go to style.css. I'll just type body, and I can write nested way. So this body, it has an ID called wrapper. Okay, perfect. So this wrapper has an h1 tag. So this h1 tag, I need the color is red. Okay, so and other than that, this body, I need body color. I mean background color background color. And then this is the background color. So this wrapper, again this wrapper has something called H2. Doesn't matter, you can type either front or top, doesn't matter. Oops, it doesn't have H2. So okay, this wrap. After that, which has actually H2. So I like to see this time color green. So you can see once I serve the button, it's automatically created this as green. So how I write there? Body. See, okay, again I'll take body the same way I was writing. So once you come there, you can see the core is working. So this is the advantage of SASS. So you can write one tag for one time, and within that you can type whatever you want. And this is the huge advantage, and it's very fast. But there are some disadvantages too. Sometimes it will cause the problem for doing the debugging things. But meanwhile, SASS is very helpful. Most of the industries they are using SASS, or not only SASS, they are another tool called less. So that is also kind of thing. But I don't have good knowledge in less. I have a knowledge in SASS, so that's what I'm explaining. SASS for you guys. So this is how it is working. So now from the next video we'll go to start really building your application. So before that, I already downloaded some files. It has some banner image like which will coming into this picture, and I have 3 extra images for latest news. So here I can put just 3 images and rename it. And I will if you want, you can download your own images. Otherwise, I will attach. So whatever the images doesn't matter, you can just install. So if you want, I will just attach this image folder and I mean this complete folder, complete files for this description. So you can download it and you can go through with the SASS. If SASS is new for you, but of course this is a temporary code, and I will delete that. Meanwhile, I'll just attach a notepad, and this notepad has what are the two command, I mean the two code, like how to install the SASS and how to connect with the SASS. So once you close that, this generation won't happen, and if you want to stop that, press Ctrl C, you can easily stop that. So that's all for this video guys. See you in the next video. Bye.